I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Quiche Lorraine. First, you'll need a 9-inch pie crust. You can use a store-bought one for convenience or make your own. Blind bake the crust at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial to prevent a soggy bottom. Once baked, let it cool completely while you prepare the delicious filling. This ensures a perfectly crisp base for your quiche. Next, let's prepare the savory filling. Cook about 6 slices of bacon until they are wonderfully crispy, then crumble them into small pieces. In the same pan, sauté 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion until it's soft and translucent. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1½ cups of heavy cream. Season this mixture with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for that classic flavor. Now it's time to assemble your quiche. Evenly sprinkle the crispy bacon and sautéed onions into the cooled pie crust. Next, add 1½ cups of shredded Gruyere cheese over the bacon and onions. This cheese adds a fantastic nutty flavor. Finally, carefully pour the egg and cream mixture into the crust, making sure the fillings are evenly distributed. Your quiche is almost ready for the oven. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the center is just set. A knife inserted near the center should come out clean. Once baked, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the quiche to set properly, ensuring perfect slices every time. Enjoy your delicious homemade Quiche Lorraine. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.